Okay guys, let's have a quick look at what this course will give us. It's divided into sections. Don't go to the next section before you don't have the section that you're busy with under control and you feel like, okay, you understand, you can go on. Now, the concepts we use to enter trades is the Fibonacci. We draw that on monthly and weekly levels. Then we have the 200 exponential moving average, which we don't really use to get in on trades, but we need to watch that one because I know the bank traders, they do watch that one. Then support and resistance and trend lines. Now trend lines, support and resistance and Fibonacci, they are extremely powerful. They can tell you what's going to happen before it happens. No other indicator can do that. Moving averages, MACD, stochastics, Bollinger Bands, all of those kind of things. Most of them tell you what's already happened, and then you have to make a forecast. So I believe these ones are the best. Now, there's a reason why I use this. The banks, the bank traders and hedge funds, they definitely work off these levels. Then to determine direction, what do we use? We use structure, we look at pivot points, we look at the daily average range, we look at fractals and divergence. Now you can't look at all of them together, because sometimes structure will point up but divergence is pointing down, or a fractal might show upwards but divergence down, or the pivot points is above the daily pivot, which tells you, okay, you might look for a sell, but then structure shows you it's a buy. So you can't look at all of them at the same time, but you have to look at them, and then in connection with fundamentals, which I think is really important. I know a lot of traders don't look at that, but if you kind of know what the banks, central banks are going to do, you can basically predict what's going to happen in the future. Now, fundamentals are important. Let me just say, this week or last week, Angela Merkel, I think, stepped down, or she's going to step down as the chancellor, and nothing happened to the euro. Basically nothing. She's the main, how can you say, chess piece in the European Union, and nothing happens. And then yesterday, few people resigned out of the British cabinet because of Brexit, and the pound fell like a stone. So even in fundamentals, sometimes these things just don't make sense. It's kind of like they want to try and trick us all the time, but we can look into their tricks, and we cannot fall for them, but fall with them. Okay guys, let's get into the course. This is just quickly to show you what it entitles. Then I'm also going to do a couple of videos to show you why traders fail. I'm going to show you what mindset do you need to have when you trade, and where do you need to focus your attention, because most people focus their attention on something that is the least important in trading, and that's why most traders are failing. Okay guys, I'm gonna keep this video short, and then let's start with it.